Delhi election is too hot a topic to ignore. So now the victory that you had in Maharashtra, I don't think even you were expecting that kind of a victory. I mean, So you tell us, what advice will you give BJP in Delhi to do what you did? What can BJP do in Delhi that you did in Maharashtra, and what can BJP not do in Delhi that you did in Maharashtra?
Tomorrow is voting, so nothing is left to be done. But I think, I don't have anything to advise. I think the Delhi unit of BJP has done whatever they could do. And I had been to Delhi, I was there for 3 days. I have campaigned and I have also interacted with people. So this time, I think the mood of people is with BJP. So we'll see a...
Number one factor for your victory, your unprecedented victory in Maharashtra?
I would say, जो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो एक है तो सेफ है ये जो नारा दिया था. See, I'll tell you, normally looking at the voting pattern of Lok Sabha, people of Maharashtra understood that a wrong has been done to Mr. Modi. And that is why they wanted to vote for BJP. And I think ये जो नारा दिया मोदी जी ने, एक है तो सेफ है, that resonated. और उसके कारण बाकी तो हमारी स्कीम्स बहुत अच्छी थी, उससे हम लोगों ने एक पॉजिटिविटी तैयार की थी, लेकिन एक ओवरवेलमिंग जो हम लोगों को एक सपोर्ट मिला है, it is because of that.
And that nara will work in Delhi also, because it hasn't been repeated in Delhi.
Should work.
And since now you have touched the topic,